The next plant that I want to talk about is our wonderful spruce trees. Wonderful spruce trees. Now, does anybody know what type of spruce we have in the Homer area? Depending on where you are, this might be a little different. But the most common spruce tree, or pretty much the only spruce tree that we have in the Homer area, is actually a hybrid. So this spruce right here has some DNA of a Sitka spruce, which is the state tree of Alaska, and the white spruce, which is the more common spruce of the boreal forest or kind of central Alaska. And our spruce is called a Lut spruce, and Luts are only found in the Kenai Peninsula, which is kind of cool as we're this big mixing zone because we have glaciers, but we also have the ocean, so plants can be a little different here. And so you come and you're looking at a spruce tree. You may already know what the medicinal properties of a spruce is. What do you think? Is it just eating? Well, if you've ever chewed on a spruce tree, you might know it's quite pokey. So it's not something you're just going to be eating all the time. However, it does have a lot of vitamin C. Now, the needles are not just packed with vitamin C, but here in a couple months, or hopefully in a couple of weeks, we are going to have spruce tips, or the new buds of a spruce branch growing. And in those spruce tips, it's just packed with vitamin C. Again, a good spruce tip tea is going to be the best way to drink this or to eat it, but you can just chew on it. It does taste a little bit like mint gum, mint chewing gum, though it doesn't feel great on your mouth. The next plant I would like to talk about is this bushy tree thing. For those that have had to work on your land clearing some trees, you might be very aware of the alder. Alders are kind of a cool tree as they're incredibly flexible. You can pull them down, kind of bend them, pretty good, but they do grow pretty quick and then grow back very quickly. So how is this plant helpful medicinally? Well, when you're in the woods and maybe you're not eating food that is normal to you, it is important to be aware of stop and go plants. These are plants that help you stop from going to the bathroom too much or going to the bathroom enough. And alder is considered a stop plant. So if you're having some stomach problems, maybe you'd make some alder tea, and this would help your stomach kind of ease that. But again, probably not a plant you're just chewing on a whole lot. More a plant you might be building things out of, like bows or canoes, or maybe smoking some salmon with.